Custom software, mobile apps, and websites built for 1/10 of the cost and completed in 1/10 of the time. That's what modern AI tools and systems allow our small team of expert developers to accomplish now. Just one developer who is up to speed on the latest AI tools can now do the work of 100 people. And this wasn't even possible just a year ago. Hi, I'm Jeffrey Smith from Oregon Tech AI. We're a small, highly proficient, and lean team of expert developers, engineers, and marketers. And we help small to medium-sized businesses around the country dominate their market. How? Well, what used to take traditional software companies months or years to complete and cost tens or hundreds of thousands of dollars can now be planned, created, battle-tested, and deployed in just a few short weeks. Not to mention, it can be done at a fraction of what it used to cost. This is all possible now with the revolution and advancement of AI systems. And this is how small to medium-sized businesses are effectively adopting AI to absolutely crush their competition. But what does this mean exactly? Let me give you a real-world example. A company in the telecom industry was spending over $7,000 per month on various enterprise-level software solutions when they found us. We started an incremental implementation by creating a new system for them that they didn't even have yet, but they needed. It was a certification and compliance tracking system for their employees. This system allows them to track which employees are current with their certifications, which ones have continuing education requirements coming up, which employees have which types of certificates, and which ones are currently even legally allowed to be on job sites. That was a great start for them. But what would be the next steps in an example like this? Next, we recreate one of the least critical components of their existing software suite. We add some additional functionality to improve it. We include sophisticated safety and security measures. We get it connected to everything and up and running parallel to their existing system. That way, it can be compared to their legacy system without the risk of compromising their day-to-day operations. After the new software proves itself in the field, they shift to using it full-time, and then we decouple and retire their expensive enterprise system. And at that point, they fully rely on the new system, which already has their employment certification module integrated. Then we complete that same incremental adoption model for the rest of their enterprise-level tech stack. And when we're done, the company is now fully on their own custom software system that was tailor-made specifically to their unique business model. And they no longer have to use several fragmented and expensive out-of-the-box systems. They no longer have to try to cram their business model into the cookie-cutter templates of enterprise software solutions. And you know what else? When we're done, they own the software. No more gatekeeping, no more high monthly fees, they own it outright. Now, we can certainly make updates and add functionality for them as their business grows, but they no longer have to spend almost 6 figures a year on their critical software infrastructure. For just a couple of months of what they were paying, they now fully own and control their own proprietary software infrastructure. And of course, we're always here to provide additional support or upgrades if they ever need it. The quantifiable result after all of this? They now run much more efficient, more lean, and more profitable than their competitors. And they can now underbid their competitors and still have higher margins than them. And that's just one example. We also did a simple data management system upgrade for a senior care placement company. Their business model is to work as a middleman, helping place elderly clients into senior care facilities. Their slow manual system consisted of managing spreadsheets with 80 different variables for each facility. They had to manually update and manage those spreadsheets while trying to reference each client's needs and requirements during the onboarding process. We were able to clean up their database, automate everything, and even integrate it with state-based senior care regulatory systems. This massively freed up their reps to be able to spend more time providing better customer service to their elderly clients, while at the same time getting more done each day. So keep in mind, the intent here isn't just to replace valuable human interaction with AI. We want to help businesses become more efficient so they finally have the room and freedom to grow. And hopefully, they'll need to hire more people and end up creating more jobs. Maybe you run a small business with just a couple of employees. We've provided solutions for those businesses as well. Maybe for a small trade business or service business, they just want one integrated solution for routing deliveries or tracking job locations and materials. Or perhaps a restaurant owner simply needs their website updated with the functionality that allows people to order online. We can develop a system that's integrated with their payment processor, with their kitchen ticket system, and delivery driver system. We can do that. Need a mobile app for your business? We do that too. The sky is the limit, really. And what our highly skilled team can create now with the help of AI is only limited by our own imagination and our own understanding of the problems a business needs solved. Perhaps you have a few pain points or friction areas inside your operation that, if they were able to be removed, you'd be a lot more efficient and profitable. Or perhaps nothing really sticks out to you like a sore thumb, but you're open to bouncing some ideas off of us. This would at least allow you to learn a little more about the possibilities of how you can improve your operation by utilizing AI. So let's start with a free consultation. That's step one in this process. That gives us a chance to get to know you, your business model, and discover how we can be of the most value to you. This is a free discovery meeting, nothing else. We don't hard sell or pressure anyone to do anything. This is just a chance to meet, get to know one another, and bounce some ideas off of each other. This way, we can work together to hopefully find a clear direction or idea that would greatly improve your business. And if we can manage to do that during the free consultation, we're happy to flesh out a plan and put together a proposal for you. Below this video, you can pick a day and time that works best for your free consultation. You can choose either a phone call or a Zoom meeting if you prefer. And when you do schedule, there's a couple of brief questions about your company that will at least give us a little bit of a head start into looking into your industry before the call. That way we can be the best prepared. That will be our homework when you schedule. And all I ask on your part is, after you schedule, you start brainstorming some ideas of ways your business could improve, or problems you would like fixed. That way you'll get the most out of our meeting. Use the scheduling form below this video to pick a day and time that works best for you. And if you have some team members you'd like to invite, you can add more people to the meeting through the email invite link when you schedule. Scroll down to the calendar below right now, pick a time, and let's get this AI thing done and out of your hair once and for all. I'm Jeffrey Smith from Oregon Tech AI, and we look forward to meeting with you soon to find out how we can help your business become more profitable.